uthi baba mayeqala mangimlalela ngenzeka abantu la bayasibala behleli la ukuthi lokuqala kwakudamini wezi baba kwela wezi baba umncane sekuzi baba umncane bayabona bona lokho ngenze umuntu yabani ukuthi ayike uzophuma ngoqini sangonani yebo apostle sokuthi kube khona into engishoyo ngoba umthatha amanzi ungafana neglass egcwala kwenzakalani ayakutheka lawana deadline now umbuzo wami uthi akusukume mina kube khona into engishoyo ngoba khona laba bantu abazophuma beqhubekile mengingakhuluma angithi sinjalo ekukhonzeni athi umuntu ayangizwanga kahle inkonzo ibazwile nje uma now iproblem yabantu bebahlala kakhulu enyameni yabona umngozi bahlala abantu uba bangangimlalele la befula le ncwadi ithi babekhuluma nabaseKorinte angithi uthi maye babuza ngento yomoya oyingcwele uchaza into yomoya oyingcwele ukuthi unezikhathi aphinde azothi umoya oyingcwele uyamangibulala now njengoba ngihlelana mina ngimila amathumbe emaphapheni because ngihamba kanje because uNkulunkulu wenza incebo umoya oyingcwele ngabonakala ukuthi ngamamukela ngasho ngamangibulala angiyakwazi ukuphuma lapha coordinator waseDurban City but ekukhonzeni wakhe nasekukhokeleni kwakhe akuphumanga ngisho usabhikoni esiqeni now kufanele uma ukhona umile njengenkokeli thandazela ukuthi kube khona abazalwane bafane nawe ngeke ukhombisa ukuthi wamngelele ethi umoya oyingcwele sanibona yebo akwamisa izandla balele sisesenkondlweni angithi le ncwadi lekehlala ifundweni uba umuntu osolo sifuna izolo masihlangene enkonzweni abavangeli usinakisa into ebesingayinakile ola le ncwadi yeBhayibheli le kade ifunda ubaba yezenzo ithi ngamamukela yini umoya oyingcwele mhlana ikholwayo ngeke sithi ithini namukela yini mhlana ikholwayo ngifuna ukuthi samsane sonke ile Ucheke lo ngithi ile umuntu angithi now uma ngibusa ngalo jeke ngizothini nawenze njani lo jeke nawamukela yini bakamkhuluma ngalo muntu ngizothini namukela isho njalo umuntu eBhayibhelini ufike ufunde kahle ekhaya ithi nakholwayo nje namamukela yini ini ayithi nawamukela yini because i-challenge yabantu abamukele umoya oyingcwele bengamamukelani yileka ukuthi nowuzisayo uzisa into ezofika ihlale nje kuwena but ungamukelanga lokhu unikayo kuqala ngeke izisebenze yesona kunomehluko phakathi kokwamukela into nokwamukela umuntu angithi wasenguqukweni once yaguquka ifinyelela endaweni yokuthi yamukeleke ngabantu isingwalisiwe ibizwa ngokuthi umoya oyingcwele. Because awukwazi uvele wamukele into ongayazi. Umoya oyingcwele awuwona nje umoya, but wamukela imiphefumulo abantu laba. Leyindlela fanele ukwazi ukubonakala ukuthi wakholwa wamamukela ini. Now ayinakusinceda into yokuthi sihlale evesini sithi sihambele endaweni yase-overboard sibuze umbuzo othi nakholwayo namamukela yini. Lento izokusinceda ukuthi iviki neviki sibuze lowo mbuzo, but sizokwazi ukuthola impendulo uma iy'nsuku ziqhubeka ukuthi laba bantu abamekeliswanga umoya oyingcwele but bamamukela ubani. Lento sizongaboni lebusibona ubuso bodwa. Kahle kahle uma simela ngeqiniso simela e-altare asinendaba nayo. Sanibonani? Asinendaba nayo? Akusesiyanazi nje. Siyakwazi umakeup-ile, siyakwazi ungamakeup-ile. Angithi? Now asifuni mina, sifuna laba bantu. uNkulunkulu athe uma epimile umpostoli athi hamba wazise ngalo lethanga ungesabi. Ile nto masimi la e-altare asibone labo bantu because okwena ubuso sesi-right now. Isinganeza mina nithi uma nifika nihlale egqumeni asihlangene nani manje. Yeah? For showing driver, I say, "Oh, yeah, what am I going to do? What am I taking now? I go outside beach. What do you get like that? What do you really point? What do you want to do? You better win. You market. You figure out the best about it. You have been more troubles. You go on the side of scary. Put you there. You go on the side of garden. Put you there. You go on the side of field. As I ask you guys, I'm just talking about me. What's going to happen? There's one person who's not about. No, somebody who stand open that the guy who's saying about what's been a sample. Now, people go and tell me. Magazine is for now to more Sama Mungel. Ladies or boys are supposed to go now one. This man is one of postal. One eating it, go one postal match. They have been letting the way near Sota. Putin, let go at it was swagger, but much swagger, Putin, Evangeli is Samaria, Pagamuge, it is. Wathunyelwa kubo obani abapostoli behambisana umoya oyingcwele. Now uthi baba awukayithandazelile into ethi njalo wena makuthiwa isilili uyohlanganela la umpostoli ethe izani khona. But ithi la uhlezi khona thandazela into ethi ayakulamukela ilizwi emoyeni sayo. Wathunyelwa umpostoli basho abantu bazokwamukela endaweni engihleli kuyona. Now awufuna ukustalela ukusuka emevini uthi silingethi bese overboard bivutha phela. Umbuzo uthi inini la uyobisa khona abapostoli uthunyelwa abapostoli endaweni ezikuyona. Bazokwamukelisa abantu umoya oyingcwele ngenxa yokuthi balamukelile ini ivangeli.
Ambani ayanginazi lasuela valuta
iyo lasuela
valuta yonke nami njani ngidoni Joba sila simpila Obaba befana lemfundo ngaphakathi kwethu ilethi inguquko nanokuthi asizona namandla because ungama nayo ifoni ibize kube leyo kugcina iPhone elingane nemali emoto even the airtime food when short in the network now we have to say now ukuba khona kwakho la njengomkhonzi kaNkulunkulu ungaba yilesi sipho yesona but awukwazi ukuya evangelini uNkulunkulu akunikeze noma kuthumele kulo ungaye endaweni la uzothanda and isiqiniseko sokuthi uya la ubekwe khona uyolanda amandla ungayi ngokwengqondo yakho ingayi ngokweyami ingqondo yena abantu abakwazi ukungazuzeli if isizoya ngengqondo yalokuthumela sanibonani njengoba silana siphila nje sizolungiselela inkonzo yabavangeli itheni ichephu ngivele ngabona ukuthi le chephu le kusho ukuthi ayizwakele nangapha ayizwakele nangapha umuntu wesimama ngabona ithi uNkulunkulu usincedile njengalabavangeli wathi nge-14 and 15 kaFebruwari because the-14 asitholakala so sizolungiselela loo nto njengalokhu sonke sila ngaphakathi singabavangela ngithi engathi omama bayindlela ngenzela le ukuthi uyikwazi ukuyibamba umuntu okhulayo ubizwa ngayo odansayo ohambayo odinda abantu Now, ngiyayiphendula zonke le ngibuza umuntu odinga athi sonke ukuze zonke izinto zethu siyile ngebhesithi uNkulunkulu into ayenzayo wenza isimali uthi uma uqala ngomnyaka asibekela amathageti sanibona akabekela abavangeli akabekela omama akabekela obani kanti usibekela njengebhesithi athi mina uNkulunkulu manje ngifuna naku la nizongifika khona ngilinde kwithageti Yabonga uNkulunkulu uthini senyakuyakhala wasakwazi ukubhinisha ithageti saze sadlula unyaka uqala iyosenza sihambe kahle unyaka wonke because umuntu ofunda grade 12 akawuphasi ngoNovemba but uphasa unyaka uqala once nathi sakwazi ukufinyelela athi uNkulunkulu uma thina umthandazo wethu uthi makuhuwe Nkosi isho siza thina sifuna ukuya la uNkulunkulu esilindele khona sile ngebhesithi now akufuneki-ke ngesikhathi senkokelo siyaba kumpostoli uMalithi emise ngikhona njengosihlalo wale ndawo bekhona ubaba bavelele kuthiwa asafeyila ukwazi ukubhinisha lento ekuthini Now, once I was to reach target, now we will skin airport. So, as this, those low parts of the guy, they will pay for more. Your honor, I have on the age to put Naba and Macon open this land. And it, I should gather for TikTok. As my prayer, we don't know how my Bible don't pay one, so I was separated. In a separation, because my movie, I know how much. So in my way of time, the season they were transformed Boston, Masitana and then subject. Because it's women called to any city. The best no pass to plan a Konaman. One man and say, go to spend the next thing now. Don't push said or keep that day, that table, Uchina and the Lavilla. She says, starting here, man, is so much in a telling faith. Because it's fancy, the bank in this one. Yes, we will Kunula now, Baba Bush, our princess, okay, is it? Yes, Canada, yes, it is here. We don't have 2026. So, in our committee, in the night of our baby, for the bank, I have a Macona, pen and pankitas. Young thing, I mean, it's the name. I'm saying, oh, Funamite. But telling that they put indoor, the end of it, put him down. Mama, no mama, put him there. I saw the picture, the two Kulukulas very good. Salmona, yeah. Said you must. Oh, Baba, the Ben Shumayet. Sex figures that in this bush is so very in the market. Yeah? Sex figure in this bush is up. I want to remind you, just so full. I've never called them in a pool. This one when putting a Sunday land in a massive place, I put it away. It's in a fun number of priests in our house. I need to go and people watch them when they talk. Olha mama, penso de ver água com desse ar. Me pume na hora.
Lago beijado.
De vai ver, gente, eu vou puxar o tabaco.